I'll need a tiny screwdriver for this bad boy. 3, 2, 1, go. It's already kind of falling loose. I'm no professional, but I don't even know if that's right. But we're gonna say it is just for our sake. I think it goes this way. This is attempt 1. And this bad boy around so everything makes a little bit of sense. Alright, so I think I figured out. I don't even know anymore. I'm just like, alright. Yes. All that matters right now is that this thing is on here. This is what I'm replacing. This thing right here. I started this yesterday. We find out is let's go right on in with it, baby. I am learning, people. I am most definitely learning. I don't even know where you are, bro. Oh! Okay, I found it. I found it, but I also dropped the damn computer. Just tell me I did everything correct. Before I start getting my whole... Wait. I noticed something, but... I'm kind of like, hold on. Includes remote. Includes controller. Unless I missed it. I must have passed it up. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah. That's cool. That's cool. Okay. Controller. I see. Alright. So no one was lying. Alright, so I think I found where something goes. Let's start plugging shit in. Alright, so everything looks okay so far, I guess. I mean, I think I'm doing okay. Hello? My God. Oh. Look at that. I got it. Shit. I think I'm all good. Alright. Moment of truth. I did everything right. This should cut on. Should. Keyword should. There's power. Attempt number 1, folks. So, seems I have screwed this up. Sadly, I had to remove everything and send back the case because I needed a H-series breakout cable. I had to get a whole totally different case. But yeah, we're gonna put this together now. So the white case ain't too bad. It ain't too shabby, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna need to pull up a diagram or two. Found it! I honestly feel like I'm I'm good. Yeah, I think I'm good, guys, girls, people, anyone who's watching at any point in time. Okay, to get everyone caught up, long story short, I messed up. The only thing I needed to do was get another cord, which I threw away when I bought my original power supply. Hopefully this, hopefully it's in here. Let's see. I take this, and yeah, like that. Together. Yeah, so we got 6. Yeah, I'm doing this in here. I'm not taking. All right, I had to cut. It is together, people. It is together. I am excited. Ignore that. I'll get a stand. Things are definitely working. Got everything hooked up. You probably can't see in the back, but yeah, it's all together. It looks great. I freaking love it. Man, I was waiting for this. Like, talk about manifestation.